We'll start with 20 sets of Mayas. Ready? Right, left. Sets of threes. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And now for piston hips. So our hips are going to go straight up. Lift the heels off the ground so that your hips move in a vertical fashion up and down, up and down. Sets of threes. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Pendulum hips are moving horizontally from left to right. Feet are coming up slightly off the ground. And now piston hips and Maya combination. Left, right, 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 left, right. Left, right, 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 left, right. So it's going to be Maya 1, 2, 3, and your hip that's up goes down and pushes out in pendulum. The other side comes up, pushes down and out in pendulum. Maya's 1, 2, 3, and start again. So it's right, left, right, down, out, up, down, out, up. Left, right, left, down, out, up, down, out, up. Hope you guys enjoyed this warm-up. If you like it, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like these. And have a great one. Bye.